Hey everyone, today we're going to be making slime. This is slime. This is blue slime. I added blue food coloring, but you could take any food coloring you would like. So first you're going to need a bowl and a teaspoon, and you're going to want to add a half a bottle of white glue. It could be any glue like Elmer's glue or any white glue you have at home. And then you're going to want to add a little bit of baking soda. Not too much, because then it's going to be a little bit too crunchy. So that should be enough. Then you're just going to want to put it in and mix it all up. And then this is optional. You don't have to add this, but it will make it pretty. And this is food coloring. You can take any color you want. You just add 1 drop and mix it all up. And then you're going to want to take your contact solution and put it in your teaspoon. And then just drop it in and mix it all up. Make sure it's mixed very well. Then you're going to want to add 1 more teaspoon and drop it in. And mix it all up very good so it's not too watery or sticky. And if you see that it's very, very, very sticky and a little bit too watery, you can add however much contact solution you want until it's all ready and you feel it. You could touch it and see if it's all good and mixed up. And I think this is enough. And this is what you're gonna want to. This should be your finishing touch. This is how it should look. And yeah, bye guys.